Welcome to Hit 'em Up, the best app for mass texting on iPhone, iPad, and Android. And now it's better than ever. Here are a list of my groups that I've created in the app and in iCloud that are automatically synced to Hit 'em Up. But let's start by creating a new group and see the power of Hit 'em Up immediately. I tap New Group and I give it a name. Let's say I'll call it 12th grade students. Cool. I'm going to keep it saved in iCloud so that it syncs to my cloud and I can use it to back up for later. Okay, you can also turn it off and sync only to Hit 'em Up if you want. So let's select some people to add to our 12th grade students. I just check them off here, or I can search for somebody to make sure that I've selected them correctly. Yep, Nappy's selected. Awesome. Well, that does it for me. I'm going to create my group by tapping the Create button right here. And there it is. There's my group. To send a message to just my group, I tap Select All, and usually when you open up a new group from a list, they'll already be selected. But I can also deselect people I don't want to receive a particular message. So I'm going to tap here to start typing my message. So I'll say, hey, and then I'll use my first name tag, which will replace this tag here with the first name of the people who are in my list. How do you like working at, and then I can say company. And when I'm ready, I can save this to a template. So I'm going to tap the templates button here, tap save, and now it's saved and I can reuse this later. So I'll tap set and that'll set it here, but I can also totally rewrite it and save another template if I want to use it again at a later date. So say hi first name, how do you like our drawings? If I'm a design firm or something. And I'll save this to a template too. So here's my message, and I'll just tap save. And now I can access either one later on, and I can set it here. So I'll set this one, and maybe I'll go back and alternate and set this one. And it shows up here. I can also attach an image by tapping the paperclip icon. So I'll show this picture of my drawings. And I'll click preview and send. And this is our preview screen. As you can see, it rotates through each message so that we see what it'll look like to our recipients. We also see our image above. Here's our sending mode. We can change the sending mode, but by default, it's on personalized mode, which allows you to send messages one by one to people who want to receive your message on iMessage or SMS. You can also change it to WhatsApp and some other different modes. Lastly, we can preview to see who will get our message and make sure that it's everybody that we wanted. And when you're ready, you can tap the send button. So let's take a look at our recipients. Yep, looks good to me. Personalized mode, exactly what I want. And I can turn off sent with Hit 'em Up if you want, but I'll leave it on. That will just toggle this off and on. So I tap send. And it's ready to go. I just tap the send button here on repeat. So it'll go through each message one by one. I'm just skipping them for now, but you can actually send them if you want. That's about it. When you're done, you'll get a message like this. You just hit 'em up. So that's how you create a group and write a message on Hit 'em Up. You can shake your iPad or iPhone to delete the message. So here's our list of groups, and we can actually select multiple groups at the same time to send a message to by just typing on the group screen. Or we can individually select contacts too. It's dead simple. That's how you hit 'em up. You can tap the menu to watch the tutorial again later, read FAQs, or chat with our support team. If you like Hit 'em Up, please share the love. And of course, share with a couple friends if you know any who would like it. Also, you can change the way that you sort the names of your contacts. So it's on default right now, but you can change it to last name, first name, last name. And there's a really great dark mode that looks beautiful. Really easy on the eyes. To edit your list, you can always tap here on a group and select people or deselect existing members of your group who will show up here on the side. So here are all the existing members. To remove somebody, I just tap them. You can also remove a person by swiping them here and tapping Remove from Group. You can also edit where the message will be sent by tapping the Sending To piece of the contact. And that'll open up the contact so that you can modify the contact. You can hide them if you don't want to send to them anymore. Or you can add them to other groups. Here you'll be able to change the messages and where they're sent. That's it. Welcome to Hit 'em Up. We hope you enjoy. And let us know your feedback by tapping the menu and going to Feedback here. Thanks so much, and share it with a couple friends. Have a great day.